Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. I just want to say thank you to every single one of you guys for subscribing, for all the positive feedback. Thank you guys are just rock stars. We're on our way to Carson Coffee, San Clemente. It starts about 9 o'clock, it's 8:15, so we're getting there slightly earlier to get good spots. So enough of this, let's get back on the road. Alright guys, we just arrived at Carson Coffee in San Clemente. We're gonna walk around. I'll show you guys all the cool cars that they have. We haven't been here in a while, so a lot of cool cars supposed to be here today. So they'll have rows of exotics, and then the classics and old cars, and then the buggies. So pretty much whatever you could think of, we'll see it today. Apparently this is the only one Aston Martin in the United States. But it looks pretty cool. Completely different from the old generation. So they have a whole row of Aston Martin, pretty much any color, convertible, coupe, you name it. New ones, old ones. We got the Lambos just rolled in, Huracan, Gallardo, you name it. Let's check it out. so this row, it's mostly Lamborghinis, Huracans, so let's take a look. Alright, so the wifey came to Carson Coffee as well to support. Howdy there.
Hey.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, good.
You guys are all advertising.
Sure. You know.
So this one has like some Lexuses, some JDM, few BMWs, and Subarus. Let's take a closer look. Got an S-Class. M5. That's probably just the regular 5 Series. Come again?
5 Series.
5 Series.
Not serious. That's ugly. You don't see those too often. Those are like 2000. Well, Like
for
a
that year.
unicorn?
Yeah. For sure. Hey, look. Mercedes.
Oh my god, look at the
In my
Pocket.
Weber. What do you think of this red car?
Isn't that a GT?
GTR. What do you guys think? I like the spec on it, red with black and carbon. Pretty unique combination. One of my faves.
What's up, Dave? Good morning, what's up?
On this road they have all the Mustangs. Let's check it out. Always fun.
Yeah, we're.
Hi, baby. You like your first Carson Coffee? Alright guys, that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.